experience something adventurous, they can go into the sea, or else they have another option, river kayaking.
Your fans.
Really, where are you guys from?
Mexico.
Wow, so we got Mexican viewers here. Wow. So, how is your trip here in Goa?
Incredible. By you.
Really?
Because of you.
Really?
You brought us here.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are here at the world famous Baga beach in North Goa. I'm going to be showing you guys the beach. I'm going to be showing you guys the shacks, the shops, everything possible here on the beach, as well as I'm going to show you guys the water sports prices, some interesting places to check out here. So let's go and check out the world famous Baga beach here in Goa. Okay guys, so we are at the entrance of the main Baga beach and we are going to walk all the way down to the beach, but just before that I just wanted to show you some of the stores that are here. And if you want to get like magnets and things like that, you can get all of these over here. So if you see here, these are the caps. These should cost 100 rupees. Of course, if they charge you more, then you should know that the price is 100 rupees. So as you can see here, all the shops and things have been opened again. Like they had to close them in between, but now everything is back and open here. So this is the main parking area. So just to tell you guys again, there is a pay toilet here, as well as a cloakroom, as well as if you want to, like, you know, keep your, there's a locker as well, and they have locker service. So many people ask me, where can we keep our things when we come to the beach? They have a locker service. You pay for the locker, you keep all your, you know, valuables in there, and then you can go to the beach and swim here. So anyway, now we are going to enter into the beach. Now over here, if you see, all of these are like the clothing and things that are on sale here. So Baga beach is always full, but the crowds right now in January are ridiculously full. Like when I was riding down the street, it took me, I came from Kandolim beach and it took me around almost 40 minutes to reach to the Baga beach here, which is crazy, guys. So anyway, this is the main entrance of the Baga beach now, and here we have all the different shacks here. So I'm just going to try and talk loudly so that I don't get copyrighted for the music. So this is the Aggie shack here, and wow, there's quite a lot of crowd here as well. But it's afternoon, it's around 1:45 in the afternoon now. And just to tell you guys, in like my previous vlogs of Baga, the tide, wow, there's so many people here. So just to show you guys, that side of the beach is absolutely packed, but here as well there's like so many people right now, and they are pretty packed here as well. So just to show you guys the scenes from here, oh my god, look at the amount of people. So there's hundreds and hundreds of people on the beach right now. So sadly the sun is against the light that side, so I'm just going to show you guys the shacks here. These are all the shacks right now, and before the shacks were allowed to put their beach beds right up till here, which kind of spoiled the beach, but now they have been forced to take all the beach beds right back. And also because the tides at that point of time were very high, so now January, February, the tide goes very low here, so the beach becomes much bigger. So we'll just walk around. Let me just show you the crowds here. So I have to unfortunately turn the camera backwards and show you guys walking backwards, is because yeah, we're going to just walk through the crowd and I'm going to show you guys. So there's a lot of international tourists as well here at the moment, but if you see here, there's like international tourists, but Baga is not so famous for international tourists. It's mostly Indian tourists that are here. So if you see here, and yeah, so there's a lot of Indian tourists right now. So let's just walk through the crowds, show you the crowds. Oh, surprising, there are quite a lot of international people here in the sea having a good time. So yeah, with their kids, good to see. So if you see here the crowd, there's a lot of people here right now, and so nice to see. So we are going to go back and we are going to go and ask the Watersports prices right now, how much they are charging. Okay guys, so sorry I just paused the video for a second there because my camera was kind of overheating for some reason, so I just changed the settings. So just to walk around and show you now the situation right now. So it's a mix of families, couples, and huge groups of guys as well. So yeah, so this is the Watersports here, and everybody is going from these boats here. But let's go to the Watersports counter, ask them the prices, see the situation. There's also kayaking in here, so we'll go and ask the kayaking prices now. So these are the people that are getting off the boat after their boating experience. You can go for boat ride, you can go for jet ski, you can go for parasailing, you can go for everything here. So before we go to the Watersports counter, which is there, let me just ask the kayaking prices. So this is the kayaking that is here, and you can take the kayak in the sea, and I think you can also take it in the river there if you want. How much is the kayaking? How much is the kayaking?
Oh, it's for 500 per person.
500 per person. How long?
Like approximate half an hour to 45 minutes.
Half an hour to 45 minutes. So how do you know that it's half an hour or 45 minutes?
Basically, if
Yeah.
I don't have any customers here and there, I
Yeah.
give them some extra time.
Okay.
So if I have bookings, then I can't.
Yeah, okay. Yeah,
They
okay.
have two options.
Yeah.
So if they want to experience something adventurous, they can go into the sea, or else they have another option, river kayaking.
Okay. So 500 for half an hour to 45 minutes.
minutes max, yeah.
So she's very nice. She gives you extra time also if you can. Okay, thank you so much. What's your good name?
Myself, Alvira.
Alvira. Okay, thank you, Alvira. Okay, so that's Alvira here. So if you want to get the kayaking as well. So yeah, we're going to check the Watersports prices just in a bit. But just showing you some of the last scenes from the crowds in this area here. So this is the Baga Creek, and you can take basically what she was saying is you can either go in the sea, which is quite rough and quite scary. Personally, I would not take the kayak in the sea, especially because there's so many like jet skis coming at high speed. So that is one option. You could take it from the jet ski area, or you can go to the calm, beautiful water in this area, which is the Baga Creek, which is so beautiful here. So let me just go here to the Baga Creek. I just wanted to show you some other things which are here, which is nice. So there's a new restaurant here which is called Sip and Fly. If you're going in the evenings, it has a beautiful view of the sunset, as well as what is that? Okay, so that is Sip and Fly. They also have a nightclub in there, so they have like a live, like music, DJ, everything, and the scene is very nice there, and the view from there is absolutely incredible. You can click some beautiful pictures if you want to from there. And also there's another beautiful restaurant in the area behind there, which is called the Bagjuna Beach. It's actually a hidden beach here in Baga, which you can take from the Baga Creek and go all the way around, and you can go to the Bagjuna. The name of the restaurant is Ol Arif. It's a very beautiful restaurant and a secret beach. Huh? Kide galo? Huh? So okay, so this is one of the guys. He's saying, come, let's show the okay, so there is a boating trip from here. Okay, so uncle is going to tell us. So it takes you to Baga and Anjuna. Okay.
Crocodile trip.
Okay, so they have a cock. How much is that?
Depends on the people, how many people.
Okay, so for
10 people, 12 people, we need together.
okay, so then how much it becomes per person?
Like 1,500 each person.
And how long is the trip?
5 hours in the boat.
5 hours trip in the boat. Okay, so if you want, then you can come directly here.
The name is there.
Okay, what is the name of the boat?
There is the name on the boat.
Okay, so okay guys, okay.
Last nearly 40 years this experience.
Oh, so 40 years. Okay, so he's been doing this for 40 years here.
From Baga to Arambol.
Baga,
all the
Arambol.
European, Sweden, Denmark, Finland, and then English, Italian, Russian was going before the corona. Now there is corona and there is very few people.
Now it's mostly Indian.
Now it's very Indian for like 30-minute trip.
Okay.
That's it.
They only want to go for 30 minutes trip.
Otherwise
Okay.
they are vomiting.
Okay. So he's saying the Indian tourists don't really go for long because they tend to vomit, so they don't like to go for long. So this is the boat here. Let me just show you. So hi. 1 second. So 1 minute. Yeah. So we have our viewers here. Yeah, hi. Nice to meet you. Where are you guys? Yeah.
We are your fans.
Really, where are you guys from?
Mexico.
Wow, so we got Mexican viewers here. Wow. So, how is your trip here in Goa?
Incredible. By you.
Really?
Because of you. You bring us here.
Really? So you've been watching the channel for long?
Of course, for sure.
Today.
Really? So, how long you are here in Goa for?
1 month.
1 month. So for Mexico Mexico is very beautiful. How come you came to Goa out of all the places?
Escape from the winter.
Okay. So what are your names?
Dharmapa.
Dharmaba. Okay. And
Akbal.
okay. So I can probably pronounce that Akapal and
Dharmapa.
Dharmaba.
And Shankar.
Oh, and this is Shankar, their child here. So beautiful. So you enjoying the weather here?
Incredible.
Yeah.
Incredible.
What would you recommend to do here in Goa?
Especially Arambol. Arambol is nice. It's very hippie style. And here in this place is amazing for kids.
Yeah.
Baga. What is the name of the?
Where else have you been? Have you been to many places?
Kalangot. In
Kal-
Kalangot, no. In
Where?
Arambol.
Arambol, yeah, okay. So you're really enjoying Goa here. Yeah.
A lot.
Okay, so lovely meeting them here, and I'm gonna have a chat with them, and then yeah.
Guy.
So we said bye to them. So we're saying bye. We had a nice chat here. Okay.
Goodbye, people.
Yeah. So how am I in person?
Incredible. My name is Dharmapa. Incredible videos. We are here because you.
Okay, so anyway, guys, it was lovely meeting you guys and his beautiful wife from Mexico. So bye, guys. See you. Bye. See you. Yeah. See you. Nice meeting you. Okay. Bye. So yeah. So we are going to go to the boat here, which we were supposed to show you. So incredible people. They are from Mexico, but they are living in Nepal now. So always lovely to meet our viewers. So this is the boat we were talking about before. So this is, if you want to book it, you can book it online also. You can book it online.
Yeah, if it's a group.
Yeah, big group. Okay, so if you are a group and you want to book online, you can book from here. You can also find the boat. This is Eugene's boat trips. So fisherman boat. Okay, so you want to come to the boat, come here and meet him, and you can get the boat here, guys. So anyway, thank you. You give me your number. What's your number?
Take my number
9
22
22
62
62 6 8
531.
531. Okay, so I'll put the number here.
Mr. Eugenio.
Mr. Eugenio Fisherman. Okay, perfect. So anyway, thank you. See you. Okay guys, so I didn't realize that I was going to end up spending so much time with them, but yeah, they were absolutely beautiful people. We had an amazing chat, and yeah, it's so nice to come and meet viewers, and it's so nice to meet viewers from so many countries. I never realized that, I would have viewers in Mexico, but incredible. So this is the Watersports counter that we are here at. And let me just show you guys the prices here. So these are the prices over here. Parasailing is 800, jet skis 400. These are the prices basically here. You can just pause the video or take a screenshot here. So yeah guys, Baga, this is the scenes right now. They don't have any package deals here on Baga Beach for Watersports. They have only the individual things. Yeah, so beautiful to see the scenes from here. Great to have a chat with our viewers. So if you ever see me, guys, please come up, say hi, many people like I meet, and they say they wait for me to, you know, finish shooting and then they come say hi. Don't be shy to say hi. So these are the boys at Aggie Shack all waving here. So anyway guys, thank you for watching my videos. Please do like and subscribe, and I'll be bringing you guys lots of other videos from here in Goa.